Man, when I say that I am blessed, I'm like beyond blessed. You're looking at the youngest franchise owner at Smoothie King. And I got to pop it a little bit because I'm going to keep it real. This is not one of those I woke up rich stories. I didn't win the lottery. I don't have some rich uncle at the company. I got it out the mud, straight up. No fancy anything. I got here the same way most people don't. And that's by not giving up when it gets really ugly. I want y'all to really think about what I just said. Y'all ever been so broke and still have the audacity to dream big? That's me. I straight up got fired from retail for flipping shoes on the clock. Yes, I said it. I'm not ashamed of it. That is the biggest L that turned into the greatest lesson. That little hustler's mentality with my back against the wall led me to being right here. I am now 4 Smoothie Kings in, and I'm not done yet. My plan is to have 25 locations. And I know I will do it because anytime I say something, I always and don't trip. I got y'all on the step-by-step process of how to get here because I was on the other end. I heard the word no so many times on the way up that I thought it was my first, middle, and last name. That's how many times I got turned down. Just always remember all it takes is that one yes and everything changes. I'm making this channel to show people what's possible because nobody's investing in people like us. They'll hand you a student loan for 200K in a heartbeat, but they won't tell you how to be a franchisee without trying to charge you an arm and a leg. I'm going to break this down piece by piece. This whole series, it's all about game. No fluff, no fake guru stuff, just real game from a young dude who made it and did it the hard way. As for Smoothie King, I didn't just wake up one day and say, I want to start slinging smoothies. Nah, I really studied the business. I saw how profitable it could be. I studied everything about it because you have to be on top of your game when you want to do something. Like I wanted this so bad that while I was stacking my money and building my assets, I was working inside the store for Smoothie King Corporate. I was the manager of a few stores because I wanted to learn the game. I want you to really think about how much knowledge and leverage you'll have if you just work inside the store. I'll get way more into that in the next few videos. Became a Smoothie King owner officially in 2020 during the heart of the pandemic. Really, really crazy times. But being an owner is totally different than working in the restaurant. So I am truly thankful for all the knowledge that I gained, but man, it's different. A good different though, because now I am the boss. Nobody can tell me anything. The best part about Smoothie King and being an owner is that I can do what I want to do when I want to do it. If I want to come in every day, I can. If I don't want to come in at all, I don't have to come in at all. I write the checks. I'm HR. I do it. How can I forget the free smoothies? It's nothing better than getting free smoothies every single day. I love it so much. Look at me being clumsy. Like, I got to get it together. But, anyways, but look, if you're trying to learn about franchising, you want to be a business owner, whatever it is you want to do, however you want to do it in your lane, or you just want to see a kid that got fired for flipping shoes and ended up owning multiple stores, hit that subscribe button. Leave comments and let me know what topics you want to hear about. I'm a bird feed you gems all through this series. So stick around and maybe one day I'll be at your store grand opening. Seriously. And last but not least, my name is Skylar Paycheck. Remember the name because I'm going to be around for a while. I'm going to be a force to reckon with. Book it.